Hello folks, my name is Chris Rice and I'm a sales representative here at Military AutoSource on Ramstein. Today I'm going to do a walk around of the 2019 Honda Accord, and this model here is the EXL. So on the front of the vehicle here, I'm just going to show you the daytime running lamps. It comes here, and also on the bumper integrated in is the bottom fog lights as well. Coming around to the side of the vehicle, this vehicle comes with a 17-inch machine polished alloy wheel with the all-season tyres. Also comes with the body coloured door mirrors and also door handles with keyless entry as well on the handles. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, it also comes with a rear view backup camera, which is just here. Perfect getting into those tight spaces, putting it in the reverse. As you can see, this one here is in silver body coloured paint, which looks absolutely fantastic when the sunshine is hitting it there. Ready? Okay folks, so we're now inside the Honda Accord EXL, and I'm just going to show you some of the features that come along with this model here. So as you can see, in the center console gives you the 8-inch digital display, which gives you your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and all your radio functions through the 8-inch screen. Easy to access with the touch of a finger. Down below the screen we have your dual zone climate control, and as you can see on each side you've also got your front heated seats as well. Below that you've got your USB port and your 12-volt supply as well in a nice hidden console. So I'm just going to show you what also comes in the EXL is the leather trim seats, as you can see throughout the vehicle. Fantastic to stop any spillages on the seats. You can easily wipe and clean. As you can see in the center there, also gives you a central armrest if you wanted to use that as well to give you a bit more comfort in the back. So today I've showed you the Honda Accord EXL model, which is now available here at Ramstein on base. If you're looking more information, contact me via Facebook, and I want to just thank you all for watching the video today. Hope you have a great day.